Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use SiteOrigin's page builder. So go to plugins tab, click on add new. You will be taken to plugins repository page. Now here on top right text box, search for SiteOrigin page builder. Okay, this will point you to the page builder by SiteOrigin. Okay, so let's try and find the original plugin. Okay, so it says page builder by SiteOrigin. Also, the author name is SiteOrigin. So do check that before installing any plugin. Click on install now, and it will start the installation process. Okay, now activate the plugin by clicking on activate plugin link. Now once you activate SiteOrigin's plugin, you can find it here. So now you have to choose either post or page to make use of this page builder. So let's go with the page. Select all pages and find the page where you want to use the page builder. Let's see, if I want to edit contact page, I will click on edit link. Okay, now that you've done that, click on page builder button right here above your text editor. Okay, it says, would you like to copy this editor's existing content of page builder? You can say okay, and it will have one default editor here. So you can edit that by clicking on edit. So when you click on editor widget, it will ask you need to install SiteOrigin widgets bundle. So click on that and it will open for new page, and it will install those widgets so that you can make use of them. Meanwhile, you can find that widget style has attributes, layout, and design properties. You can add that and save the content. Okay, so in between we will activate this plugin and close this. Okay, let the page auto load. Okay, you can also click on add widget in between, and you will find that you have bunch of widget options. You can select WordPress widgets to access default WordPress widgets. Then you have widgets bundle, where you can choose from SiteOrigin button, editor, features, images, carousel, and slider. Also you have page builder widgets. So you have layout option, post content, and post loop. So let's choose one. Let's go with widgets bundle. Then you have rich text editor. Okay, then you can edit that. So it says this widget has scripts and stuff, and it needs to be loaded before you can use it. So you have to save and reload the page. Okay, so update and reload the page. Now click on editors edit, and you will find it gives you option to edit the content. So this is the same editor like the one you saw previously before adding your page builder on any page of WordPress. So with SiteOrigin's editor, you get that functionality within the page. So when you edit your existing content, you will find it will open up within editor, just like we had earlier. Click on done. Now we will take a look at some of the widgets, such as layout builder. So this is very important because whenever you want to work with different layouts on existing theme, in such case you can make use of this. So click on it, and here you can edit it. Here you can add widget, row, or pre-built layout. Let's say if I want to add a widget, I will click on it, and here I can choose from any widget of choice. Okay, I can also add row. I can also select how much width I want to pass to each column. So I have to adjust the row layout that way. You can choose the row layout from 2 to, let's say, 3 or 4. So you have 4 columns within rows. You can also set the ratio as golden or 1/3 or diagon, pentagon, and quadrigon, or simply go with even. You can also set the left to right or right to left alignment, so that way you can adjust the ratio here. So let's go with 2. Insert. Okay, now you can, once you have your layout build, click on done. Okay, simply put it at the top, and then you can decide if you want to adjust that here with your editor. So if you save this, and you can check the layout, and here you can add your widgets. Let's say I have one right now which I can use, which is SiteOrigin editor. Can click on done, so it will get added here. Okay, so let's close this because we already have one editor. Let's edit this and use that in another editor. Okay, now let's add one more, and here I want to use okay. Now click on done. You can remove this. Now update your page, and you will find that we have page builder's layout added to our contact page. Okay, now let me add something on another column so that I can properly make use of it. Say I want to use calendar. So this is the contact page and this is calendar. So let's update. Now let's view the page, and as you can see, I have that contact form right here. However, I have disabled that plugin, so it is not appearing right now. And here you find the calendar. So these two widgets are placed side by side. We can change this. Okay, with, let's say, one for archives, one for calendar. Click on done, update, and we will also update our contact page. see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, I have managed to put archives and calendar with the help of Page Builder's Layout Builder. So this was a demo on how to use Layout Builder. You can also add rows here on the top, and then you can place your columns just like this. Okay, so you have flexibility to do that on entire page, or you can do that within the grid inside the layout offered by Layout Builder. Okay, so this is a short demo on how to use SiteOrigin's Page Builder for adjusting the placement of your content within the page. SiteOrigin's Page Builder work with most of the themes. So if you have purchased any theme from, let's say, Theme Forest or Code Canyon, then it should work with that. However, do note that most of the themes, such as from Elegant Themes or Studio Press or Hybrid Themes, Thesis, may not adjust with this page builder due to CSS conflict. However, some themes work just fine, so you have to test that and see if it completely works.